Hello and welcome back to my channel everyone. This read is gonna be about how to heal your heart chakra, or for some how to open your heart chakra, how to get rid of all the negative thoughts, all the fear, all the anxiety that's coming up in your life, because I just took out the Libra read before and this was coming up again and again in their read that they need to heal their heart chakra more. So there are certain techniques that I'm going to mention in this video that you can use in your daily life also, but most of the time when you are dealing with any kind of fear or anxiety, what can help you heal your heart chakra and what can keep your heart chakra charged and balanced all the time. Okay, so the very first technique is very simple. If some of you are usually go on morning walks, or if you stay around nature more, your heart chakra gets healed automatically. There are a lot of chakras in our body that we can heal naturally, that sometimes we don't even need to go for a lot of therapies to heal them. You know, some of the chakras are self-healed, we can say. So if you go on morning walks, definitely see nature, see more of the greenery around. The more you imagine green color in your life, the more you stay in garden, parks, or around flowers, around trees, the more your heart chakra gets charged and balanced, and the more you will feel that all the fear, all the anxiety, all the negativity in your thoughts is simply just rushing out of your body. You are not thinking negatively anymore. Your pattern of thinking is changing. Okay, so that was the number one point. If you stay around nature, your heart chakra gets healed automatically. The second technique that we have here is what we call the seed mantra chanting. So the mantra chanting is basically, if you chant the mantra YAM, which is YAM, if you chant that mantra and just go into deep breathing, keep your mind clear, that also energizes your heart chakra, that also balances your heart chakra. There are a lot of videos on YouTube in which you can even play that mantra behind and you can simply just do deep breathing. That also works. If you don't want to chant it all the time, don't do that, but definitely listen to that seed mantra, that is YAM, that is YAM. That is the fastest technique that works. Actually, for me it works the fastest, but yeah, you can try. There are many more techniques. The third technique that I'm going to mention in this is the crystal therapy. So the crystal that we have for the heart is green adventurin, and it looks like this. I'm not sure if the color will be visible. It looks like this. This is green adventurin crystal, and if you want to see it more clearly, it's this. Okay, you can simply rub this crystal in your palms, or you can rub it on your heart chakra. You can simply keep it in your hands. You can simply keep it in your aura. Even though this crystal remains in your aura, your heart keeps on getting healed automatically. You will feel yourself that you are not thinking negatively anymore. You don't have all those kind of fears, past traumas, you know, sometimes that that disturb us a lot. Okay, so that was the third technique. The fourth technique that helps is Archangel Raphael's healing. As we know that Archangel Raphael's healing light is green in color, so the more you do Archangel Raphael's healing, the more you listen to those healing music. We have the music also. If you will type on YouTube Archangel Raphael's music, Archangel Raphael's healing guided meditations, you will see a lot of YouTube videos on that, so whatever works for you, just pick that video up and simply listen to that music. Even though that music is running in the background and you're doing some other work, it's still working on you. Your heart chakra is still absorbing the vibes, the frequency of that music. So that is what is important. So these were some techniques that can actually charge and balance your heart chakra. If you come up with any more techniques, or if any one of you know any more techniques that works for you, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like these techniques or if you do it on daily basis, then also let me know in the comment section below. And if you like my videos, do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye, take care.